Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks can include learning from experience, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and solving problems. AI works through the use of algorithms and data to enable machines to mimic human cognitive abilities. Here are some key components of how AI works. Data. AI systems require vast amounts of data to learn and make decisions. Data can be structured, organized in a database, or unstructured, like text, images, audio, etc. The quality and quantity of data significantly impact the AI system's performance. Machine learning. One of the most common approaches to AI is machine learning, ML. It involves training algorithms on large datasets to learn patterns and make predictions. There are several types of ML, including A. Supervised learning. The algorithm is trained on labeled data, where it is given inputs and corresponding outputs, allowing it to learn the mapping between inputs and outputs. B. Unsupervised learning. The algorithm is provided with unlabeled data and must find patterns and structures on its own. C. Reinforcement learning. The algorithm learns by interacting with an environment, receiving feedback, rewards or penalties, for its actions, and adjusting its behavior to maximize the rewards. Neural networks. Neural networks are a key component of many AI systems, especially in deep learning. They are inspired by the structure of the human brain and consist of interconnected nodes, neurons, organized into layers. Deep learning uses deep neural networks with multiple layers to learn and represent complex patterns in the data. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP enables AI systems to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. Techniques like sentiment analysis, language translation, and speech recognition fall under NLP. Computer vision. AI can process and interpret visual information through computer vision techniques. This enables tasks like image recognition, object detection, and facial recognition. Decision-making and inference. After the AI system has been trained on data, it can make decisions or infer new information based on what it has learned. Optimization and feedback. AI systems are often fine-tuned and optimized based on feedback and evaluation. Continuous improvement and learning from new data are essential for enhancing AI performance. It's important to note that AI is a rapidly evolving field, and there are various subfields and techniques used to create intelligent systems. The ultimate goal of AI is to build machines that can exhibit general intelligence, similar to human intelligence, but we are still a long way from achieving this level of capability.